What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel, FX. So here we go. It's been a while. Um, been busy with other projects, but I'm happy to be here again today on the channel and coming up with a trade setup for you. Was looking at the charts on this Sunday night of the 30th of July 2023, and I came across Gbpnzd uh, chart, which is one of my favorite pairs lately, even if mostly I trade commodity gold. And this is what I've seen for Great Britain pound versus New Zealand dollar. Um, Kind of interesting trade setup. We are in a good position to do a sell trade, and here's why. So um, if we look at the daily time frame, we've seen that um, it's been for a long time. Gbpnzd has been trading like at a very high price, and it hasn't been this high since 2020 with the COVID peak. So right now its price is quite high, and we can see that on the weekly time frame. Um, exactly this time from around like March 20 to July 23. In these two occasions, we are at very high price. And if we look at if we scale down at the daily time frame specifically, we can see a channel. So I selected on tradingview.com on the daily time frame, 1 day. Okay, sorry, because it's out of the screen. 1 day. Okay, I select a channel instrument, right, and I place my channel from sorry, I place my channel from what I believe is the trend line, the bottom trend line, which is identified by these weeks right here on the 15th, on the 14th, on 15th June, and the week of the Thursday 6th of July, the week of Friday 21st of July, and then these two small red weeks, right? So I extended like the tool to the upper part of this channel, and I can see that on the 28th of 28th of June we have the top peak of this ascending channel. And and if we kind of extend this top to this previous stop, it's not perfectly symmetrical, but it still help us traders to identify a pattern. And because of the fact that we identify this pattern, we can set a proper stop loss and a proper take profit for our trade. So at least we know where we are moving in the chart, and we can give us limits as traders, which is very important. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame so we can see a little bit in a more accurate way into the chart. Okay, this is the channel that I was talking about. Okay, so we can see that the price has been like waving inside these ascending channels for since the 14th, I would say since the 1st of June, right? So it's been like 2 months waving inside this channel, up and down, more up or more down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's kind of like an ascending range, correct? So mm, if we don't use the channel, because this channel is validated by all these points at the bottom, but only at this point on the top. So if we don't want to look at this channel, but we want to work with um, support and resistance level, or if you want to call them supply and demand areas, we can identify a supply area. So I can identify a resistance at this level right here, and let's trace an horizontal ray at this level. Why? Because the price bounced exactly at this price. So the price has been rejected here, 20th of June and 12th July and 19th July and 24th July, and on last Friday it's been rejected, or at least it looks it's going to be rejected for the next time. So for this reason, I might think that even if it's an ascending channel, I might think that the price might be rejected again at this resistance. Okay, let's put down here a sign like resistance or supply area. Okay, because it's an area where the product is sold, so there is a supply of product, and on the other side, if there is a demand of the product, we are on at a support level. Okay, but lately I prefer to think about the price in terms of supply and resistance. All right, so here we go. Resistance or supply area. This gray line. Right now we are exactly trading. Okay, we are exactly trading around this level. So I might think that the price might bounce back down again to one of these levels. So maybe it might be this one, because it's proven by this date, this date, this date, this date, and here we have like a quick penetration of this level, which is validated by all these days. So actually this guy is called a range, correct? So we are still inside the range, and until till we are still inside this range, we can place a trade and take advantage of the range. So how I do that, I select the short position indicator, and I place it on the chart, like at the part where I want to enter. Let's go on a 1 hour time frame, which is more precise. Okay, let's say tomorrow morning I wake up, the price is still trading here. Okay, I want to place the trade here, and I know that my stop loss has to be, I would say, around this area, and the take profit could be, yeah, around here. Okay, so this could be the trade, correct? The red part is where I'm losing in the trade, and the green part is where I'm making money. So if we click on the trade, we can see that the risk-reward ratio is 3 to 3.65. So it's a quite high risk-reward ratio because it's almost 1 to 4. So let's say for this trade, if we lose 1, we make almost 4. Okay, so on one side, if we lose 1. If we win, we make almost 4 times what we risk. So it's a good risk reward, and we can manage this risk reward ratio even during the trade. How? With trading execution. So in the way we manage the trade tomorrow, etc. in the next days. So this is the trade that I suggest, guys. Tomorrow morning, you wake up during the Asian Pacific market session, or during the London market session, and if the price is still trading at price 2.08681 for Gbpnzd, you can sell. You can sell with a stop loss at 2.09637 and a target profit. Let's say it could be the touchdown could be, let's not be too greedy, but the touchdown could be at 2.05343. So how many days we can wait for this trade to close? I don't know, because as I said, it depends by the trading execution, but what the chart is telling us from the previous days, that the price has been trading in this range from this top to this bottom. For example, we wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading days, and from this bottom to this top we wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading days, and from this top to this bottom we wait 1, 2, 3 days. And then, as you can see in the chart, guys, you can do these calculations by yourself. So anyway, we don't have to be like excited for the trade in a matter like, oh, I can't wait to get my profit, or oh, I don't know if I'm losing. Just the important thing is that you place the trade, you set your stop loss, and you set your take profit point. Okay, guys, so this was the trading setup for GBPnzd. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to ask any question in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So for the one interested in trading without too much headaches, we have the solution for that as well, and it's proven, it's working, and a lot of people is already benefiting from that. So guys, thank you again very much, and on to the next.